Hi, it's Steve Bustin from Get Your Voice Heard. I've got a tip for you if you want to get your voice heard online. One of the complaints I hear from the businesses that I work with is that they're not really sure what to post on social media, so they tend to end up going for their sales messages. Now, social media on the whole is not a sales forum. Yes, you do want to be mentioning what you can do for people, your products, your services, but it needs to be part of a very balanced mix. I would say you should be aiming for an 80-20 rule. 80% is non-sales messages, 20% can be sales messages. As soon as you start increasing the sales messages, people will disengage from your social media feed. If you're not quite sure how to fill that 80%, just think about what are our audience interested in. Think about the topics that are around what you do. If you're really running short of ideas, ask a question. Questions are great because questions start a conversation. Questions encourage people to answer for you. And that's what you want. You want this to be a two-way process. Social media is all about that engagement. I'd also say every time you post on social media, on any platform, for every post you make, you should be answering at least 2 other questions, or commenting or retweeting or replying to at least 2 other posts. So the ratio is one post of yours, engagement with at least 2 other people's posts, because those posts are where the conversations start. That's you actually engaging with them rather than just sitting there waiting for them to engage with you. It has to be a two-way process. You cannot expect people to engage with you if you're not willing to reciprocate. So just some quick top tips if you want to get your voice heard online.